Baking soda is more than just a cake-raising ingredient, it has various health and beauty benefits attributed to it. One of the biggest benefits is that it is known to counter acid reflux, thanks to its alkaline properties. It helps neutralize stomach acids and provides relief from indigestion in adults. Most health experts swear by mixing baking soda with water, which is also a great source of relieving heartburn, of course in limited quantity. How does baking soda water really help the body heal such conditions? Baking soda tends to break down into sodium ions in the body, an electrolyte that tends to have powerful effects. However, consuming excessive amounts of baking soda can hamper the activity of your muscles, brain, and heart. Following are the complete benefits of drinking baking soda water every day.
The health benefits of drinking baking soda water daily and a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Baking soda has been used for thousands of years as a natural medicine. It was used by the ancient Egyptians as a natural soap and was later discovered to treat many medical problems. 2. It is also known as bicarbonate of soda and is nowadays mostly used to help cakes rise when we are baking. 3. By drinking a small amount of this white powder in a glass of water every day, you can cure many problems with the body, particularly when it comes to the stomach and digestive system. 4. In modern times, we tend to eat a lot of unhealthy foods which are full of toxins and harmful chemicals. This can cause us to suffer with some painful acid, which can be very uncomfortable around the chest, especially when lying in bed at night. To cure this, you will need 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 400 milliliters of cold water. Method: mix together the ingredients in a glass and stir well. Drink this on an empty stomach twice a day, morning and night. 5. This drink alkalizes the body and balances the pH levels of the blood. This gets rid of acid reflux, heartburn and indigestion. It also boosts your immune system and can help to stop you from catching a cold or infection. 6. It also boosts the performance of the pancreas and the kidneys. This flushes toxins out of the body faster, bringing down inflammation and making all of your body functions work more effectively. 7. Urinary tract infections, also known as water infections, are a common problem. These are usually caused by consuming too much sugar and acidic foods. This drink cures UTIs within a week. 8. It has been used by many people to destroy kidney stones and reverse kidney damage. Please see our other video on this specifically to learn more. 9. The drink neutralizes any acid in the stomach and can therefore be drank whenever you feel heartburn as a natural alternative to antacid drugs. 10. If you suffer with gout or regular muscle pain, you can take this for natural pain relief. It will also bring down inflammation and lessen the problem in time. 11. There are more and more accounts of people using this to cure or help manage certain types of cancer. Many argue that this has slowed the rate of tumour growth and could be used alongside regular cancer treatments. 12. Baking soda is a white powder, also known as bicarbonate of soda. When purchasing this, be sure to get baking soda and not baking powder, because these are different. Baking powder contains extra ingredients which are not needed for this natural cure. 13. This drink has helped many people to prevent or reduce allergic reactions, including asthmatic problems, skin allergies, and hay fever. 14. If your skin has been irritated by sunburn, a bite or sting, you can make a paste with baking soda and water and apply it to the sensitive area. This will soothe the pain. 15. You can also use this to brush your teeth. It will destroy oral bacteria, plaque and whiten the teeth. This should only be used on the teeth once or twice per week, as it is an abrasive. 16. Simply drinking this mixture when you have a common cold or flu will help to relieve a stuffy nose and heal you faster. 17. This amazing powder is known as one of the most useful substances in the world and is also one of the cheapest. It can also be used to make a hair growth shampoo.